Well, hi again everybody. Welcome to my latest video. Well, in this one I'm going to show you my final studio setup. Pretty much. I mean, there might be a couple more tweaks that I do to it along the way, but as of right now, I consider this final. So let me go ahead and show you what I have in place here. Okay, let me first start by showing you what you've probably seen in other videos before, but let me show it as a complete picture now. These are my screens. So I have a mechanism on this right-hand side here that allows me to lower any one of 3 different screens down. There's a white, there's a green, and there's a black. The green is for green screen. Oh, along the way here you see the accent lights that I've added. These are Edison bulbs hanging from the ceiling at different lengths. And, I don't know if you can notice here or not, but there is a hidden corner there. It's not a very good example here with the screens split all 3 of them up right now. But that board that I put up will hide the edge of that board. And then of course here's the rest of my room. So I have the boom arm here, which right now I have installed on it my spare HD camcorder that I had. Works good as long as I'm doing just HD quality and not worried about something beyond that. Up in the corner there is the first of many cams that I have. That's the one that will view me when I'm doing live streaming from my left angle. Coming around right around here onto the monitor, you'll see the one that's sitting atop my monitor that views me face on if I'm facing the monitor. And then if we come back up again here, there's the webcam that'll see behind me. And then off to the side here, beyond my streaming PC, I have my microphone, my Samsung microphone. And right now I have my Panasonic 4K video camera as my primary camera when I'm doing anything sitting at my desk here. That bed in the background is, well, you never know. Some nights of editing get pretty late and also some live streaming, but really the cats use it most of the time. Over here I have actually a third monitor. And this monitor is just a regular 36-inch TV that works as a monitor. I have HDMI cable connected to it. And I can actually display things on there, notes or whatever that I'd like to have available to me as I'm doing a video or doing live stream. Then back over here, I have 2 of these little LED lights. I can actually change them to whatever color I want using my iPhone. In that corner there is the project I haven't finished yet, which is my primary editing rig. Then down behind this chair underneath here, I have made efforts to make very clean cable management. So what you see there is a hidden panel. It's not too perfect yet on the left-hand side there, so I'm still working it. But it does hide most of the cables that are coming in from the top of the desk. But there'll be more cable management. I'm going to put some tubing to control all those cables. Similar to what I have down behind that monitor there. See that one tube coming down? I'm going to get bigger ones that will allow me to hide up most of the other cables that are there. And then as I back up, you see my chair. And I have my table that I can raise and lower. So if I come over here, right now it's got 4 memory positions. And I can come in here, there goes one of my cats. Right now it's on position 1. I can actually have it go up to position 2, hitting it twice, and the whole table rises up. It actually can go to a full standing desk in position 4. But I won't do that right now. I'll just come back down to 1. It actually shows you in inches from the floor. Nifty little gadget, didn't cost that much. Like $250. I had to put my own tabletop on it, which I got from IKEA. As a matter of fact, all of this furniture you see here is from IKEA. And that's a quick little tour of my new studio that I'm using for live streaming and as my backup editing area. My primary editing one is downstairs. So that's really the quick nickel tour. What I'm going to follow this video up with is about 8.5 minutes of montage, high speed, of all of the things that I did to this room. So, feel free to watch it if you're interested. I'll try to narrate along the way sometimes, but most of the time it's going to be music. And then I'll close this video out after that. So hopefully, you get something out of this video, and if you do, you would at least consider subscribing to my channel. Well, until the next time, take care, okay? And please, even though things are winding down right now, stay healthy. Okay, time to put some of this IKEA stuff together that I purchased.